Hey, what's up guys? Mi Mix Alpha 5G concept phone is official, unveiled at Xiaomi's launch event in China on Tuesday. The new smartphone seeks to push the boundaries of what can be done with the smartphone's display. Unlike Samsung or Huawei, Xiaomi is not going the foldable route just yet, even though the company has already revealed that it is working on one. This phone offers some best features, so let's look at the top 5 features this device has to offer. Mi Mix Alpha's top and bottom parts of the frame are built with aerospace-grade titanium alloy. The alloy is 3 times stronger than stainless steel but weighs less. On its back, the entire protective cover for the camera area uses a single piece of sapphire glass which is embedded in ceramic. So looks and durability wise, it's top notch. At least the edges and the back are protected very well. About display, well, we will get to that now. The front side and the back of the phone are almost entirely display. The surround display allows Mi Mix Alpha to achieve a screen-to-body ratio that reaches an astonishing 180.6%. The effect of this 180-degree glass phone design is the status icon like network signal and battery charge level displayed on the side, and pressure-sensitive volume button are also shown on the side of the phone. A brand new display acoustic technology replaces the traditional earpiece receiver and proximity sensor as well. This display is made up of flexible Super AMOLED capacitive touchscreen which is 7.92 inches in size and has a resolution of 2088 x 2250 pixels. Among other key highlights, Mi Mix Alpha is the company's first smartphone to use a 108-megapixel Samsung camera sensor. The main 108-megapixel camera sports a large sensor that is 389% larger than the 48-megapixel camera. This image sensor is capable of producing 108-megapixel photos with a resolution of 12032 x 9024 pixels and supports 4-in-1 super pixel to produce large 1.6 micron pixels under low light conditions. The camera also supports new technologies such as ISOCELL Plus and Smart ISO, and it is equipped with 4-axis optical image stabilization to ensure stable videos. In addition to the 108-megapixel camera, Mi Mix Alpha also has 20-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera and a 12-megapixel telephoto camera. If you want to take a selfie, then you have to flip the phone, which shouldn't be a problem because there is a display in the back as well. Mi Mix Alpha is equipped with 4050 mAh battery and comes with a standard 40W wired fast charge. There is no wireless charging as the display takes almost all the space, which makes it impossible to stick the wireless charging technology anywhere. Even then, the 40W charging is pretty fast. Although I do have to ask you guys, what do you think how long the battery will last, as you already know the screen is almost 8 inches in size. Unlike traditional smartphone assembly methods, Mi Mix Alpha's internal assembly is first carried out, while its display layer, touch panel and protection layers are laminated one by one. All display component layers are compiled in that order to achieve high curvature surround display design, so the internal stress caused by bending the display layer can be released layer by layer. To achieve a smooth and flat surface, Mi Mix Alpha also uses a durable protective layer which optimizes the screen stack structure. On one hand, the design poses obvious issues like cost, durability, battery life, accidental touch recognition, privacy and so on. On the other, well, just look at it. Now, just to wrap up the video, let me tell you the pricing for the Mi Mix Alpha concept device. It's priced at yuan 19,999, that's roughly around rupees 2 lakh. Xiaomi described that Mi Mix Alpha is a concept smartphone and isn't going to be mass produced anytime sooner. Xiaomi, however, has confirmed that it will produce a limited batch of Mi Mix Alpha at the end of December this year. So that's it guys. If you enjoyed the video, then click the subscribe button. See you in the next one. Peace out.